good morning. So today we are up very early in the morning, prepare everything, and now we are out at Kulabuktan so that we are making breakfast. Breakfast today gonna be sticky rice and some grilled pork. So here is my special recipe. In the marinade, I have cinnamon stick. Just use a little bit of it for the nice smell. And then black pepper, coriander root, garlic. Then you smash it in the mortar. After everything fine, and then you just add a little bit of coconut milk, follow with light soy sauce, seasoning soy sauce, and black sweet soy sauce. Mix it again and then follow with the palm sugar. You crush the palm sugar until it melts, and then here is the marinade. You keep the marinade overnight in refrigerator. So now this morning we are ready to put this pork on the skewer and put it on the fire. The reason I want to make this pork BBQ or Moo Ping today is I just miss my childhood. Every morning when I went to the morning market, there always be this smoky, delicious Moo Ping or pork BBQ. Seems like the fire is quite hot, so I need to be careful with the pork. Now they are looking so good and smell so good too. Sometimes people use fatter cut, but we like this pork fillet for our breakfast. Look at our beautiful sticky rice. Ooh. Now we have got our delicious breakfast, Moo Ping or Thai barbecue pork. I am going to enjoy this with some fresh sticky rice. And if you like to follow the recipe, you can find the ingredients below or visit our website worldofthaifood.com. And do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. For today, have a very spicy day. Bye bye. Lovely, nice, sweet, smoky. I love it. There you go. Oh, so you can eat it with a little bit of sticky rice.
Very good.